Hi guys, good morning. Good morning one and all. This is Hanuman Nayak. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are good at your places. After a long time I came in front of you to teach the IIT Max. What Max? IIT Max by your favorite teacher Naik. Okay. See guys, in the today's for the I started the class for sixth class. In the sixth class, the topics are important topics. Some important topics are there. That's why I selected this topic. And meanwhile, I will tell you that 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and +1, +2 also. Don't worry about that. And here, see, before starting of the class, if you like my videos and my way of teaching my class, please like the video and share to your friends, and please subscribe with me. If you want to see my more and more videos, please subscribe my channel Smart Study YouTube channel. All right, and most of those who know watching my videos, I hope I know them. Now coming to that, our topic is that IIT Mathematics, IIT point of view, IIT Mathematics, IIT Medical Foundation program in the mathematics. So here we are teaching only IIT in the mathematics session for the 6th standard, right? For the what standard? 6th standard, guys. Okay, this is one of the important book. I prefer this. Now if I move on to the topic, what are the topics are there? Just to see the topic, what are the topics are there, I will tell you. Wait, the contents of the 6th standard, these are the topics. The topics are number system, integers and algebraic expressions, arithmetic, geometry, and one more is there, that which one is the mensuration. What are the topics they mention in the 6th standard? The topics are very important topics, right? You see, either the mensuration topic is a very important, and the geometry superb, excellent, arithmetic extraordinary, algebraic expressions excellent, integers and number systems. Okay, and those who came from 5th standard to 6th standard, even what they covered the topics in the content, the topics are related to the high school standard, also high school +1 +2 topics. So this, see that arithmetic, algebraic expressions, I think this is the intermediate level topic, and geometry also 10th class. Arithmetic is one of the competitive exam type model, and mensuration is superb. There is no words about the mensuration. This, whatever they cover the topic in the 6th standard, the topics are very important. So when you are preparing your subject, go through from the basic, go through from what? Basics. So if you go through the basics and fundamentals, foundation very important to grow your life, to gain the knowledge. Our fundamentals are very important, guys. So I will teach you the topics from this. Out of 5-6 topics, one topic to you I will selected the topic, and I will teach you in such a way that from the fundamental basics. So from the basic onwards I will tell you to you, don't worry about that. Once we completed our topic, you will get the confidence on what we completed on topic, right? So from this topic I selected that one important topic is called what topic? Arithmetic. So just I directly enter in the topic is arithmetic, because of this is important and interesting and easy. Important, interesting and easy topic is arithmetic topic. So I will teach you in such a way that to get the good knowledge about this topic. Once and my promise is, once my topic is complete, my students will be good in the calculations and arithmetic topics, right? So that's my promise. Just without any delay I will start the topic. That is, what are the fundamentals are there in this topic. Just to see that the topics, what they had mentioned here, the topics are average, right? Before the starting of this class, I will tell you one thing about this topic, that is arithmetic. In the arithmetic, here one picture is there. What is who is this man? He is the great Indian scientist, mathematician and astronomer is Aryabhatta. Okay, so leave it about the topics, just go through the what he said. Just see this word Aryabhatta 476 to 550 cc. Okay, was the first in the line of the great mathematician astronomer from the classical age of Indian mathematician. See this word, classical age of the Indian mathematician and Indian astronomy. Okay, his most famous works are the Aryabhatta. In this particular age, at the age is 23 years of old, when he was 23 years of old, at this time he did the works, his most famous works, right? At this age he did a very great works. So why I am mentioning the highlighting this word means whatever he did at the age of 23 is important. So my dear boys and girls and friends and students, so this is the best age to learn the subject, like a Aryabhatta. I want to see my students are like a Aryabhattas, right? So see, and coming to the topics, averages. So all of you knows that, I hope you most of the know that what is the mean of average, what is the mean of ratio. See boys, what is the meaning of the average means, I will tell you that averages are one topic. In the average, actually what happens means average, can I write like this, that equals that average is nothing but sum of the observations by number of observation. What is the meaning of this word? Sum of the observations by number of observations means that sum of the observations by number of observation. For example, average. What is the meaning of average means? If you are writing any exam, you are completed in 5th standard. In the 5th standard, how many subjects? 6 subjects are there. If you include the IIT Maths and Olympiad Science, IIT Science, then 7 or 8 subjects, right? So out of all the subjects, how many marks for individual? From Telugu you got some marks, Hindi some, English some, Maths some, so you got some individual marks. So when you are adding sum of the observations means that word sum of the observations, the sum of the observations means that if you add the marks, for example, I will tell you that if in your Telugu you got, for example, out of 100 someone got 90 in Telugu, and in the next exam Hindi you got 85, in English you got 95, in Maths you got 99, and Science you got like 98, and Social Studies you got that 100 out of 100. Okay, for example, if you got the marks like this, if you got the marks are like that, okay, then what is the meaning of this is the word sum of the observation, means that you have to add these all the marks, you have to add these all marks. Okay, what if you add this, what happens? Here 100, total is 600. From here you lost 2 marks, here 1 mark, 3, 5, 8 plus 15, how much? 8 plus 15 is 23, 23 plus 10, 33. Out of 600 you lost how many marks? 33 marks. 600 minus 33 is how many, guys? 577 marks. Yes or no? 577. If you add if you add these all the numbers, you will get this number. Okay. Sure. I think 67. Okay. Plus 33 is 100. Yeah, sure. So this is average with sum of the observation, means whatever the individual marks are there, you just add all these marks, that is sum of the observation. And next step is by number of observations. Number of observation means how many observation, number of observation means how many observations are there, just count that. Count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total how many are? 6. Now here write that 6. Now here write that 6. Now, got my point? What is the average? Means sum of the observations by number of observations. Then after this, if you do the simplification of this, I hope you know the simplification, how to do the simplification. Yes, if you do the simplification, then 6 table, where that 6 nines are 54, 6 nines are 54, here remains is how much? 2, 2, 7, 27, in 6 table, 6 fours are 24 and 6 fives are 30. So this is a 4, and point some values are like 5. So this is the number, average is the number. This average number will give that average of the this whatever you got the marks, right? So individual marks are like this, these are the individual marks, and this is a particular your average. Your average is approx 94 or 95. So this is the meaning of the average, guys. Now coming to that, I hope you understood the what is the meaning of average. Now see the definition. The ratio of sum of all the observation at the same kind by the total number of observations is called average, or one more word they use that is mean. Mean or average, both are same. Both are same. And definition is average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So from here, from this part, if I write like this, sum of the observations is equal to, can I write average into this observations? Yes. So see my boys and girls, here I can write that, here see, this is my average. Average is equal to sum of observations. This is sum of, okay, don't worry, I will write and show you. Yeah, see here, average is nothing but, our formula is what? Sum of observations by number of observations. Yes, average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. From this, can I write like this? If I write my sum is equal to, where is S? Yeah, just wait, I will show you that. My sum is equal to, from this I can write that S is equal to A into N, A into N. So from this I can write that what? Sum average is equal to, basic definition is what? This is, basic definition is sum average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations, right? From this, if I have to write that what? Yes, sum of observations is equal to average into number of observation, from this formula. Either if you want N, then you can write number of observations is equal to sum by average. You can, how many in what model, in which model you want, you can mold the formula. If you know the basic formula is this, if you know the basic formula, then you can melt this formula in any way, which way you want, right? So this is the what they gave, the sum of observation is this, is equal to average into number of observations. So this is that. So I hope you clear that what is the meaning of the average. Now in next topic is a ratio. This ratio is a topic, is a very important topic. What is the meaning of the ratio? Before going to the ratio, I will tell you one thing. Ratios are important. Ratios are what? Important. Ratio is equal to, ratio means it has that one numerator and it has one denominator, right? Ratio has one numerator and ratio has one denominator, right? See that. Very good. So, what is the numerator and what is the denominator? You have to observe, boys and girls, this important thing. So, when you are writing the numerator here sum and when you are writing your denominator, your first job is the numerator units and denominator units should be that equal. Numerator units and denominator units are should be that equal. Unit should be equal, right? And next point, unit. What is the meaning of unit? I will tell you. What is the meaning of unit? For example, when you are writing as a, here is a what, in the ratio form, when you are writing in the ratio form, your first job is these units should be the equal, numerator unit and denominator. What is the meaning of unit means? I will tell you that. For example, there is a 50 grams, where is that? Yes, here I will write 50 grams, comma, and one more thing is what, 6 kgs. Now see, units means here is a what, 50 grams, this is in grams, these are the in what, kgs. For example, if I assume that I want to write this 50 kgs is equal to, in numerator place, if I want to write that in numerator place, and whatever this 6 kgs is there, I have to write in denominator. When I am writing as a ratio form, when I am writing ratio is equal to, see that, when I am writing, can I write 50 grams, that is GMS divided by 6 kgs. Is this statement, if I write in the form of like this in ratio, what they mention that unit 50 grams as a numerator and 60 grams in denominator. Can I write like this? If I write like this, then this is the correct or wrong? Tell me that first. It is absolutely wrong. It is absolutely wrong. Why wrong? Why wrong means, I will tell you, see that. Why wrong means, here 50 is are in grams, this 50 are in grams and 6 in kgs. Here whatever this then 50 grams and here kgs. This grams and these kgs are different units. These grams and kgs are called units of the mass. These grams and kgs are called units of the mass. So when you are writing the ratio, these grams and kgs should be equal. Then only you can write in ratio form. If these are in unequal, different units, then you can't be right in ratio condition. So if I want to write in this term, this particular term in what ratio, then this 50 grams is equal to, I know that what 1 gram is equal to 1 gram. So before going to 1 gram, 1 kg is equal to, is how many grams? 1000 grams, right? And if from this statement, if I want to write 1 gram is equal to, then I have to write 1 by 1000 kgs. This is that our fundamental, our fundamental formula. You have to note it down this. You have to note it down this particular statement, because when we have the conversions, when you have to do the conversions, These things are important. When you do conversions, these things are important. Now, can you convert this 50 grams into 50 grams into kgs or 1 kg into grams? Which one you want? Which one you, either you can convert this grams, either you can convert these grams into kgs or this kgs into grams. And my dear students, now when you are in a beginners, you do only one thing: convert the large quantity into small quantity. That is easy. Why easy? You may get after few time. After few minutes, you may know that whys are told like this. Okay, so see this. Okay, now see, here I will write that. Here I can write 6 kg, 6 kgs is equal to 6 into, where is into symbol, 6 into 1000. Just remember, when you are converting large quantity kgs into grams, this answer will give us what? Grams in terms of gm, gram. So that is equal to this 6 into 1000 what? 6000. Either kgs or grams? Grams only. Now my answer in grams, this numerator, this is now 6 kg. Instead of 6 kg, can I write 6000 grams? Yes. And this 50 grams are 50 grams only. Now just go to our first beginning question, and this is the question. Instead of 6 kg, can I write here? Yes. Instead of 6 kg, here I will write once again, 6 kg is equal to 6000 grams, and numerator, and this is what? That is equal to our 6 kgs in where? Denominator. Yes. So this is denominator part, and 50 grams, 50 gms grams is equal to 50 grams only, because of I have to convert, I already converted kgs into grams now. So this only, I don't want to change this grams, that is in numerator. Now our ratio is equal to 50 grams in the numerator, that is gms, divided by 6000 gms in denominator. Now just wait. Now here see that, my boys and girls, here see, here grams cancelled. Very good. Now here is a 0 and here 10 is cancelled. Remaining is what? Here numerator 5 and denominator 600. Now can I cancel? Can I cancel this? Yes, I will use one more color. 5 ones are here, 5 ones are, remains what? 1 is become as 10, 5 twos are, and this is 0. So finally what I got? Here my ratio is equal to, finally I got that my ratio is equal to numerator in 1, in denominator 120. Now see, important thing is here grams is there na, here grams is also there na. This grams are cancelled or not? Yes, it's cancelled. Now here it has any units? There is any unit? No. Means that for ratio no units. When you are writing the units of the ratio, ratio has no units. Why no units means? Why no units means? In the numerator part grams, either anything here numerator what is there that, and denominator this should be the cancel, guys. This should be, these two terms are cancelled. When these two are cancelled, it has no units for the ratio. That should be the clear. Okay, and point number 1. Now coming to our topic. Now what I explained here and in detail, just observe it and I will explain what they mention in our topic. Now see that, where is the ratio? Yes. Now if you look at on the board, in this particular topic, that of two quantities same kind in the same units, that's what I explained in the first thing, is the fraction that one quantity is of the other, right? So those two should be in one quantity, one unit, not in different. Thus the ratio is A is to B, that in the form of A by B you can write, or you can also write this A is to B. This is called east. This is called what? East. This symbol is there na? This particular symbol in between of A and B, particular symbol like two dots. These two vertical dots are called east. Now see the next statement, the ratio between two quantities of the same kind and in same units is obtained and dividing the first quantity by second quantity. First quantity is divided by second quantity. For example, here see the ratio between 150 ml means milliliters and 65 milliliters is 150 is to 75. This is wrong because here they gave that what 65. So either you can modify this. This is not a 65. This is not a 65. This is right 75. Okay. This is 75. This is not 65, guys. So this is 150 east. Can I write 75? Yes. This is A and this is my B. A by B. 75 ones are and 75 twos are. Now 2 east 1. It will be become this. Ratio between 75 grams and 1 kg. This important. Ratio between 75 grams and 100 grams. Because of here 1 kg is equal to what? 100 not 1000 grams. 1 kg is nothing but 1000 grams. So 75 by 1000. 75 by 1000. 25 threes are is this and 25 fours are 100. Remain 0 is this 3 by 40. After that anything is cancellation is there? No, there is no cancellation. So this is the value 3 is to 40. Either you can write 75 is to 1000, that is equal to 3 is to 40. So this how this is became like this means this is called equivalent ratio or simplification ratio or the simplest form of the ratio. It will come in the next topic, next upcoming topic. And this is the ratio. In the ratio is a fraction. Absolutely, it has no units. Yes, what I explained that this is correct. It has no units. This what is important. And in the ratio A is to B, is the first term is there. If you want to write here, first term is A, second term is B, and this first term is called antecedent. This first term is called antecedent, and second term is called consequent. The second term is called consequent. Okay, and the next thing, see the next thing, if each term of the ratio be multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number, the ratio remains the same. Means that, for example, 4 is to 3 is there. I can write 4 is to 3 is nothing but 4 by 3. Yes. And what they are saying that if you multiply or divide in numerator and denominator at same number, there is no change in ratio. Means that if I multiply here into 3 numerator into 3 denominator, 4 into 3 12 and 3 into 3 is 9. Now after that if you want to do the again simplification, if you want to write in simplest form, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Again it become what? 4 is to 3 only. Means that when you are multiplying into ratio, with the same number. If you want to multiply, you have to multiply with the same number only. When you are multiplying like that, there is a no change after your multiplication, there is a no change in resultant answer. Like same, when you want to divide also, there is a no change. When you have to divide also, no change, 4 by 3, 3 by 3. So there is a no change in this particular term. Now see that. What's the next, what they give? Yes, ratios in simplest form. Just now only I explained to you, and up to here the introduction, what are the ratios and what are the averages. And next upcoming topic I will explain that comparison of ratios. In next topic I will explain to you comparison of ratios. Okay, up to that, take a leave and bye bye, sign off. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. That is what channel? Smart Study, right? What channel? It's Smart Study, and click on bell icon. I will, whatever I prepare the videos, I will come to you as a notification. Okay, and up to that, take a leave and bye bye, sign off. And whatever you have to write on the notes, you can write, and I will send the PDFs also. Don't worry about that. You can download the PDF below link I will provide in the YouTube in my channel. Okay, but PDFs I will provide after 2 days. Why? Because you watch once again and again. Try to understand in your own and make a notes like you prepared your notes. Don't prepare for myself. Prepare your notes for yourself only. And after that, when I am uploading my notes in same YouTube channel after 2 days, at that time check your notes and my notes, both are similar or not. Okay, so if yes is similar, you are in track. If not similar, no problem, don't worry about that. You can copy and next time try to write in your own. Up to that, bye bye, sign off.